Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I was doing my hair, so I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and get this on video so I can share with you guys. Right now you see me doing a wash and go. I just got out of the shower. I did wash my hair. I used two products, which is the Cantu conditioner and the Cantu shampoo. Cantu rinse out conditioner. So I rinsed out as much as I could, leaving a little bit in so that way my hair could stay soft, because I'm not applying anything else but these two products for this wash and go. And it is two gels. Yes, you heard me, two gels. I've never done a wash and go with two gels before. This is my first time. However, I did see somebody do this, so I said I'm gonna go ahead and try and just give like my honest opinion. So I'm detangling my hair right now. Well, I'm sectioning my hair to detangle. Don't do it this way. Always part in 4 sections so you have smaller sections to work in. But I'm in a rush. I got somewhere to go in a couple of hours, so I'm gonna go ahead and do it this way. So tips for natural hair. Please, 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 please be gentle with your hair. I'm detangling from bottom, working my way up to the roots. However, I don't always do it this way. But I've been growing my hair for some time, so I know what my hair can take. So just find a way to nourish your hair and nurture your hair without being rough with it. Also, find protective styles that requires low to no maintenance, that doesn't pull or tug at your hair follicles because you don't want to damage it, or doesn't dry your hair out and cause breakage. What I like to do is use oils only whenever I'm deep conditioning. I use oils through moisturizing as well, so that's why I don't put oils on my scalp, but I do use rose water to hydrate my hair. And if I only use water to spritz my hair, then I'll use distilled water that I put into a spritz bottle and hydrate my hair that way. Because I do feel like water from the faucet sometimes can dry your hair out if you're not applying anything else in your head. So what you see me doing right here, like I said, is detangling my hair, and I'm going to apply the products, which are the two gels. So one gel is like called a curl activator gel, and then the next gel is a firmer hold gel, and that's like a clear gel. You can find these products at Walmart. You can find this brush at Walmart. They're very affordable. If you have no clue where to start when it comes to like a wash and go with products, you could use these two gels, and you could find a brush that you like, and just go from there. You have to find what works for your hair. Also, what you see me doing is sectioning. Now, for some reason, I kind of feel like these two products together helped my curls or wavy hair go into its own sections. I didn't have to do much of like separating it. So this literally did not take long at all, like my normal wash and goes would take. So that's what I like about these products as well. So now I'm gonna be quiet and let you guys see what I'm doing. I'm gonna speed up the video. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and check out my YouTube, my TikTok, my Instagram. Support me on those platforms. I could really use it and appreciate it, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you if you're still here watching. I love this. Ooh, it's giving wavy. It's giving texturized. I absolutely love this. So now I'm about to do the last section. You're going to see me rush through this. And guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I could really, really use your support with growing my channel. I have other videos also that will and can help with tips and hacks on growing your hair and maintaining your hair as well. I do have an Instagram and I do have a TikTok. So I would appreciate if you guys would support me and follow me over there. I'm going to be adding clips at the end of my hair while it's dry, just so you guys can see. My hair is definitely wavy with this gel. It's giving texturized. These guys are the two products that I use, two gels, a firm gel and a soft gel. Bye.